Standard 7th Maths Chapter 15 Statistics Practice Set 54. So, the daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. So, to find out average, there is a formula. The formula is whatever they have given, we have to do total. So, you will write total, and here they have given rain. So, total rain in millimeters upon total number of days. कितने दिनों तक उन्होंने काउंट किया है. So here 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, उन्होंने week बोला था. So in a week we have 7 days. So after adding इसका addition you will get 20, 30, 86 upon 7. So now we have to do division. So 86 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. 6. 7 twos are 14. 2 remaining decimal. So 7 twos are 14. 6 remaining. So decimal लिया है तो 0 लेते जाएंगे. 7 8s are 56. 4 remaining. So decimal लेंगे. 7 5s are 35. Okay. So 5 remaining. 7 6s are 7 sevens are 49. Sorry, 7 sevens are 49. 1 remaining. So here what we get? We get 12 decimal 2, 8, 5 and 7. So whenever you get answers in decimal, so to write the final answer, फर्स्ट ये जो पहले मिला है ना वो एज इट इज़ लिख लेंगे 12, फिर डेसिमल भी लिख लेंगे, फिर फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड सेकेंड डिजिट. ये 2 and 8 हुआ. फिर थर्ड डिजिट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. नाउ सी दिस थर्ड डिजिट इज़ 5. सो डेसिमल के बाद थर्ड डिजिट अगर 1, 2, 3 and 4 हुआ तो हम लोग ना एक्चुअली आफ्टर डेसिमल 2 डिजिट तक ही आंसर लिया जाता है, बट थर्ड डिजिट को देखना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. तो अगर थर्ड डिजिट 1, 2, 3, 4 तक हुआ सो हम कुछ भी नहीं करते, एज इट इज़ लिखते हैं. बट इफ़ इट इज़ 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, अगर ये 5 में से कोई हुआ तो इसमें का 1 यहाँ पे ऐड कर देते. हम 5 को तो नहीं लेंगे, बट यहाँ पे एक 1 ऐड करेंगे इसको राउंड फिगर करने के लिए, क्योंकि थर्ड डिजिट इज ग्रेटर देन 4. सो योर आंसर विल बी 2, 9. Okay, so this is your first answer. So the average rainfall is 12.29 mm. So let's see second sums. During the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up a snack stall. Their sell every hour were this respectively. What was the average of hourly sell? So again you have to do in the same pattern. First write formula. Average is equals to total sale upon total number of hours. So here total sale was 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 and plus 970 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 you have to add them. एक रफ पेज में लेके इन सबको ऐड करो. आई होप यू ऑल नो हाउ टू ऐड. ऐसे एक एक के नीचे लिख के सबको ऐड करो. सो आफ्टर एडिंग यू विल गेट समथिंग 5352 upon 6. So divide. 6 ones are 6. 6 9s are 54. No, so ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो 6 8s are we will take. Okay, 6 8s are 48. 5 बच रहा है तो 6 9s are 54. 1 बच रहा है. 6 2s are 12. So 8 9 2. So your answer will be the average of sale was rupees 892 per hour. Okay. Third sums. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? So same pattern. Average rainfall is equals to total rain upon total number of years. So 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400 upon 1 2 3 4 5. They have mentioned also 5 years. So 5. Now total 9 plus 4 13. 13 and 6 19. 19 20. 2400. 2407 is equals to 3133 upon 5. So division करना है. डेसिमल में आएगा अगेन. 3133 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 so 3. 5 2s are 10. 5 6 are 30. Decimal 0. 5 6 are 30. So your answer is 626 decimal 6. So the average rainfall is 626 decimal 6 mm. A farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weight of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What is the average weight of the sack? So, same pattern. Average weight equals to sum of the weight of sack upon total number of sacks. So 49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8 equals to upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now see, since it is decimal, how to add them? See, सारे decimal है ना, तो 1, 2, 3, 49, 8, 49, 7, 49, 5, 49, 3, 48, 9, 49, 2, 48, 8, and the last one is 50. So like this you have to add. So after adding all this you will get it was for the 520, 474, 428, 32, 33, 33 and 6, 39. So 395, 395 decimal 2 upon 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So 9 minus 32, 7. 8 nines are 72. 3. Decimal 8 fours are 32. So 49.4. So in statement you will write the average weight of the sack is 49.4 kg.